Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Hello, hello, and welcome back to another live stream. Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome. Happy Wednesday. It's only Wednesday, and I was like, is it Thursday? Is it Tuesday? Because normally Wednesdays I have like a meeting when I start my day. That doesn't happen any other day. And it didn't happen today. So it threw me completely off. What day is it again? But that's okay. We got there in the end. Yeah, we'll be doing some game dev. So what I want to do, well, last night, I remember that I still haven't implemented mouse slash keyboard mouse slash controller like functionality. So I started to try and find how the hell to detect if it's a keyboard or if it's a controller that someone's using. And for some reason that's extremely difficult. Not on Google, not on anything else. Not even like on the Unreal Source Discord. No one is talking about how the hell to actually detect it. They're talking about like sometimes for UMG, using the common UIs thing, but I wanted blueprint stuff. I don't want UI stuff. So I did find one thing that found a way of reading keys that are being pressed. And once I was able to read keys that are being pressed, then things started working correctly. So now Now, if I use my keyboard, it's this keyboard. And if I move with the controller, it's this controller. Keyboard, controller. Keyboard, controller. If I do both, it prioritizes keyboard. I might make it prioritize controller, actually. But basically what we need to do is, right now, if I was to play, and I want to screen, I want to move and then attack, I can't attack down. I'm always attacking towards my mouse. And we don't want that. And what I want to do is probably set it up to prioritize controller. And do it actually based on the attack button, not the move button. If I press, so that way you can use this as what I want to have as an option effectively is if you had like wanted to use a controller for movement, but use a mouse to lock on, you could do that. And you can tell you do that right now. But what if you wanted the opposite for whatever reason? Or full controller support, right? Then you can't do that. So that's the plan for today, is to get that set up. So where's my little thing that I set up for this? Here. I get my enhanced input. I query all the keys, map to that action. And then for each loop, I check blah, 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 blah. What I want to do, though, is I want to probably remove this keyboard thing. And I'm going to swap these around, make it so it's controller if it's true, and then keyboard if it's true. I think that should just fix my problem with it. So again, if I do keyboard, keyboard, all fine. Controller, all fine. Oh, then keyboard does again does the same problem. Right. So I still needed the same thing I had before. But this time I'm just doing controller, or can I call it controller? Okay. Gamepad? Now gamepad here, I'm gonna set gamepad true. Swap these two around. And okay, so now we should have the exact same thing that we had before. Where keyboard, controller, oh no, I needed to have it the other way, the way I had it. No, this has to be. I set up correctly the first time. It worked. I'm. It's fine. Yeah, it works. Let's not break things. Hey, Miss Presgetti, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. It's now in the event graph. On possessed, right? We have this, and we get this. So I want to promote this to a variable. I can't. I want this to be a variable. There we go. Player controller, ref. I guess I need this as a base player controller ref. Because that way I don't need to do this get controller. I can just do it here. Like so. Don't need to cast again every single time. We're already getting it. And now we can use it here. Lovely. There we go. I'm doing well, doing well. We're setting up the mouse slash controller support. So keyboard, controller, keyboard, controller. Looking good. Looking good. So now we want to do that, not where we're doing it. We want to do it on attack. So right now, I'm doing that here. Off of the move, but I don't care about the movement being one or the other. You can use both together for all I care. The one that we care about is the attack. And here, open this up, input action, bam. So let's see if this now works. Might not work. Okay, so that's triggering. Oh, it's because as input key down is being set to false because... Well, it should be true. At least 1 point. No, it's true. Okay. Oh, it's going through, yeah. Oh, it's never a keyboard key. Is mouse button? Because we want keyboard, we want mouse. Ah, there we go. And if I did controller, oops, we got controller. Okay, so mouse, this is keyboard, controller. Okay. We have it detecting. I think I want it to be yeah, mouse is fine. Do I want to set it up for all three? It might be good to set it up for all three and just have that as an option. If we did that, we'll need an enum. Yeah. Underscore input types. Yes. Keyboard, mouse, and controller. Okay. So we have return node. this needs a parameter of E input types. You can specify. So what we can now do is mouse button. Change that back to keyboard key. Now, is there a way to just tell it to if true, cancel it? Not really. So what I'm going to do is for mouse button, make sure if it's not keyboard and this, then it's mouse. And then here it's going to be the same thing, but it's not this. And also not, we need a new local variable for mouse. Mouse A. Mouse. True. So as long as it's the gamepad key, it's pretty much the last option. It'll print this. So let's just see if this works. Hey, guys, welcome in. How's it going? I'm doing all right. Doing all right. You guys know about animation stuff? I mean, a bit. It depends what you're asking. You have root motion locked, but animation still allows for movement on actor. Well, you can still move an actor without using root motion. Yes. Do you understand what root motion is? That's going to be the easiest question to start with. Do you understand what root motion is and how it works? Because I just want to make sure that is, you understand that before I can tell you. Because that'll tell me what I need to say. You're sure an actor using AI, so you want the animation to stay locked. To stay locked to... Oh, is your animation doing one of these where your animation goes from here to here, but your character goes all the way here and then snaps back to the right spot every cycle? Is that what's happening? Yes? That means you have, yeah, you're playing a root motion animation on a non-root motion setup. So instead of your character like running in place on a treadmill, he's actually running. And so he gets to the end of the animation and the animation starts at the beginning again. He needs to be on a treadmill. If you're not using root motion, make sure your character is standing still in the animation and running in place. Otherwise, yeah, you get this. That's why I was asking if you understood root motion, because I was thinking exactly the scenario. Mouse, controller, mouse, controller. Excellent. And we'll just, I'm going to test the same thing. Now, on movement again. Keyboard, controller, excellent. Yeah, so we got, so now it works. So if I want to figure out what is what, we can absolutely do it. So now, keyboard controller. I want to rename this to input source. Okay. Because, right, we need to when we do our attack combo, where's the orient to player? Or orient. Wait, when do we do the orientation? Oh, is that on? That's on me. That's here. I do it on execute block. And wait. Why do I maintain rotating? Oh, it's because of this. I have the block stuff. Rotate the cursor. Oh, hold on. Is it because it's on here? Rotate the cursor. So as long as I'm not rotate the cursor, that's the directionality. You want to rotate? I don't. Ah, we do this set direction based on input. But that's on movement. That's fine. Why is it that when I attack right now, right, well, I need the rest. Race window, attack combo. So here, he's clearly rotating towards where I'm clicking. Where's that being set? Wait. Oh, hold on. It's on the animation, isn't it? It's on animation, I'm pretty sure. Yes. Yes. Okay. Got it. Okay. Now things make sense. Because not for every animation I'd want to do this. So this gets turned on, but then I need to also then I need to set the variable for it. So here, right, I'm outputting it, the information, but I also need to set this as a variable. Last input type. Set to be keyboard. Set to be mouse. Set to be controller. So now, if we go back to the event graph, here, when it says rotate, if it's true, we can say last input type, Zool, just a simple print string. I click. Oh, let me turn off. It's not you. Turn off these print strings then, so I don't get double print stringed. Okay. So mouse, I get mouse, and if I press on the controller, press the wrong button, I get controller. Mouse, controller. Excellent. So now we're separating out all of these, which is good. It's a little bit. I guess I can do this. So now what we can do is here. Before we do this, true or false. Actually, we do it on true, because we wanted to remove it if anything. On true. If this is equal to mouse, all I can do is rotation. And mouse. Then do this. That probably will work. So now if I do mouse, right, it follows. And if I do keyboard, or if I do controller, ooh, it still follows.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Okay. Let's wait for ads and we'll see what's going on. Very interesting. I'll need to modify this as well. But it shouldn't be going to... Oh. Yeah, let's wait for ads. But basically, it should not be going up here unless somehow this is triggering effectively before I press the button. But it should record all that info first. Like I press the attack button, it triggers. Then it does the attack combo, right? So this should have been set. Okay. So let's go back to doing a print string here. Mouse. Oh, wait, what? It's not printing? So it's not going. So it's correct, it's not going here. It's going here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so it's detecting it correctly. So in that case, where do I see rotate to cursor being used? Just here. Remove. Unblock and then reset block. We don't care about block and reset block. Am I doing here somewhere? Nope. Am I doing it here? Nope. Is it because what if I never do this? Oh, I'm still following it. Hold on a second. How am I still following it? What black magic have I done in the past again? Ah, okay. So it's doing it off of this. But that still only happens when I'm doing execute block. Is it because of this? That's possible. It's because it might be because it's doing the warp. Or it's trying to do the warp. Right. So if I did this now, it's following. Okay, it's not following the mouse. Okay, so it's no longer following the mouse. Okay, it is correct. So in fact, it wasn't this. It was just that the mouse just happened to be in the same location there. Right, if I did this, move the mouse behind me, and then attack. Oh. Okay, the warp is overriding it. Okay, good to know. So in that case here, I'm going to do warp to enemy. If it is equal to... mouse. Then we do this. Otherwise, we don't do this. So now if I did this, right, attack here, and then move mouse to the left, and I keep attacking on the controller, I don't rotate. Okay, so the next thing to do is then make it so I rotate based off of the movement axis when this happens. I have the set rotation based on input. Is this triggering? It's probably not. Oh, it is. It is doing it based on input. But the directionality is not being set, right? Yeah, the directionality then is not being set because can't set directionality. When I am attacking, I cannot set directionality. So, I need to remove attack here. And then or Boolean. Well, it's not any of these. Oh, no. Keep attack there. But it would do an or Boolean. Or it is at the current moment. This might work, might not. Is the last input type is equal to mouse. And I have the tag attack. That might sorry, not mouse. Controller. So we're doing fine here. Ah! It's not following the mouse. It's following the controller. And then go back to the mouse. Now it doesn't work yet for the block, but yeah, the block doesn't work in rotation, but we can make that work. So here we'll do has any tag. Promote to local variable. Using controller. So here we want attack. Oh, I just add more here. That's right. And block. So when we're using the controller and we're using the attacking or the blocking, then it will still use system. Now, what I want to do now is set it up for block. So here on execute block. Just rotate towards cursor on timer. We only do based on input type if this is equal to mouse. Then we do this. Otherwise, we go through. And also, then we need to add the functionality in here as well. So grace window. Oh, we should remove grace window on the block too. Speaking of. Okay, but I want to go to my attack. Let's dash. It's not attack. It's input source. Actually, no, I want to do it afterwards. Only if it's successful. Okay. So We can right click and block. And now if I hold the block, I can rotate. Look at that. It ignores my mouse or it follows the mouse. Well, I need to have stamina. Wait for stamina to go back. Follows the mouse. Ignores the mouse. So now I can actually play with the controller. Yeah. Now, I would also like to possibly hide the mouse when I use a controller. What's the best way of doing that? We set the controller to be visible in the game mode. Let's see if we can do that real quick. If we go to our blueprint's not. I thought I added this to favorites. Or is it? Remove for favorites. Wait. Oh, I'm literally in blueprints. I'm stupid. It's one of those days. It's one of those days. Game mode. Yeah, so we get player controller and show mouse cursor. Okay. So what we can do is, I'll just copy that because I can. We can really tie it into that node. We can tie into here. So if it's keyboard, we don't touch it because maybe you want to use like a combination. You don't only care about mouse versus controller. If we're using a mouse, show cursor to true. If we're not using a mouse, it's here. If we're not using a mouse, then we'll have it off. Let's find out. Right, we have it. And then I press the attack button. Is because I need this one? No. Trigger from input device. Interesting. Yeah, that is doing it. Do I need to do it from the game? I can't do it from the player. I have to do it from the game mode? That shouldn't be right. Wait. Why is it working now? Oh, okay. Now it works. Wait. Now it doesn't? Oh, did I? Wait. I don't touch it. I press and I move the mouse. As soon as I move it, it disappears. Interesting. So if I was to do this and I moved it and I attacked, until I move the mouse even a little bit, it doesn't disappear. Well, that's annoying as hell. Why is that the way it is? I don't understand why that's the way it is. Right? Mouse there. Yeah. I can click with the key. This doesn't matter, but as soon as I move the mouse, even a little bit, it's gone. And then I can click. You can see my mouse is down here because I've moved it. Okay, I think for now I'm not going to implement it then. So we need something better. Also, I'd want it to return if I moved the mouse, not when I clicked with the mouse. So a different system would need to be required anyway for that. So for now, I guess it's fine. I guess it's fine. We'll need to find later on a way of detecting mouse movement. And then if there's mouse movement, we'll also want to turn it on and a lot of other stuff. That kind of stuff probably could be done in the game mode. But either way, right now, we have now actual controller support. Far more than we had before, right? Yes. I just move the mouse down, and basically it's hidden. So, awesome. Okay. One thing I am curious about though is, does the game lock the mouse into the play area or not? I don't think it does, right? If I was to load up the last package, right? Yeah, it doesn't lock the mouse. Which is fine. Just fine, I guess. Okay, yeah, that can be dealt with later. Okay, but we have keyboard mouse support. Okay, next up, I need to do some cleanup. Dear God, I need to do some cleanup. Some things are just getting way too messy. This whole charge attack system, I'm gonna kill. I said kill. Delete. Why won't delete? That anymore. That. There we go. Delete that. Charging attack, right? Because just I'm not setting it up. Let's clean this up. This is our attack. Then the roll we don't need anymore. That's way old now. That's not being used. The high jump's not being used. It's just the jump, the dash. Yeah, there's all the movement stuff. To get that corner. Oh, come on. There we go. Okay. Then we have the possessed. I really should put the begin play next to it, and so event tick. So I have the possessed and all of this all together. Start of game. Why is it so hard to get a corner? There we go. Jesus Christ. Yeah, so now we have start again. So then we have attacks, blocks, which are like actions. Hey, Destroyer, welcome in. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. Welcome, welcome. So these are actions. We just implemented keyboard mouse. We just implemented controller support to make sure that it worked. And now I'm just decided to like clean things up because things have been getting really messy. But otherwise, I'm doing good. Doing good. There's actions. Now we have activate item and activate cards. Yes, this is collectibles. In the sense, because their items and cards are all collectibles. You gotta go to bed? Well, have a good night. Hope you get a good night's rest. Thanks for stopping by. Event damage taken. Ah, yeah. We have UI. Okay, the UI here should include this. fine. You don't have to apologize for that. You didn't even have to stop by and say hello. You stopped by and said hello. I'd say I got more than I deserve. Honestly. I'll take what I can get. Seems pretty good to me.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Okay, and then we have like utility. Let's do this real quick. Utility. I guess. I probably should just reorganize the area. But gameplay, then the movement here, the actions here, collectibles, UI. Utility, and then we can just do like testing stuff is over there. Okay. Oh. The delayed roll we no longer need. Okay, I'll wait for ads. I'll wait for ads. It's just because it's just cleanup. Doesn't mean it's not good, because we're going through and removing stuff that we don't need. And we'll see, maybe we'll change some stuff now. Okay, let's remove the delayed roll. We have the delayed jump. That can stay as is. Then, yeah, roll them out, delete. That can go away. So we have gain ability, but I'm not doing this anymore. Where am I still using this? Because it needs to go away. Okay, let's index all again. We're gonna get rid of so much unneeded stuff. It's gonna be so nice. You know, sometimes you gotta go through and clean stuff up. It's been like a long time since we've done this, and we've reworked a lot of systems. So. So, I have it on the action character as well, which we'll get to. Gain ability. Oh, yeah, so we don't need this anymore either. Okay. So this gain ability, goodbye. Then we have meta progression. Damage upgrade count. Yeah, we need all of this. This is all good. It's nice and organized. Active item hold, active item trigger. Yep, that's all good. All the can checks. Combat, warp to enemy, execute block, reset block. Yep. Locomotion, directional animation. I'm not using this. I think it's the old system. Yeah, that can go away. But this is the one I'm using. Set rotation based on ASD, which is the much cleaner version. close up all that. Then I've set rotation based on input. It's not based on input. This is WASD. This is just... I guess it is kind of input. Based on, not input, it's based on direction. Execute dash trail. Wait, why do I have this here? What, I have execute dash trail on my character? Why is this not? It's just on me. And it's used specifically when I dash. Well, that's odd. This should be on the on my AC abilities. I need to know the dash amount. That's fine. To this day, I'm still so indecisive about what's it called? Putting spaces or not spaces in the variables. I don't know why. Get AC. Execute dash trail. Dash amount. It's not really dash amount, it's dash distance. I don't know why I called it amount. And let's just make sure that still works. It should. But let's just confirm. Also, I don't know why it's called a dash trail. I just realized. Talking about fire trail, right? Fire trail. Oh no, it is the dash trail. It's this. Okay, dash trail still works. I think it's because only I was doing it. Only I can dash, but why can only I dash? Maybe I want enemies to dash as well, or execute that dash trail, at least. So yeah, we'll moved it over. That's good. Update dash counter. Yeah, enemies won't have a dash counter, so that's fine. On dash start, yeah, this is all fine. Then we have the get save variables and initialize game. Yep, that's all good. Then you have death. Can go under combat. Can't go under combat because that is an interface thing. That's why it's not editable. Get display stats is set up meta progression. I'm gonna change the these I can't change. Category UI. There we go. For gameplay, and then I can put activate cards by tag. Gameplay. And that can go in there. Line tracer mouse is a utility. That's utility. Oh, that's not even being used. Yep, that can go away. Start grace cooldown. Remove grace window. Set new weapon is gameplay. On begin attack is combat. Oh, that's a override. Input source is utility. Beautiful. That is a whole lot cleaner. Oh, so good. Let's see what the hell's going on here. I need to change the name of this. Rotate towards cursor. Or just rotate. Set rotate towards cursor. There we go. And now it can go our movement. Really cool to see development in real time. Great stuff. Well, thank you. Welcome in, pink guy. 12 pink guy. Sorry. You know, I don't know if you're 12 pink guys or that is the shade of pink. The 12 variety. I mean, so many things. Who truly knows? Yeah, right now I'm doing a lot of cleanup because I haven't done this in so long. That's good just to start removing crap that we just have changed so much. It's under utility. Grace window, utility. Okay, look at that. Nice and organized. Look at that. Okay. That is great. If I go to you, let's do the same thing here on my root character. Set as attacking. Honestly, I don't really need this, but because I have just add gameplay tag. Or am I using this in a lot of places? Because I could just replace it. I'm not using it in a lot of places. So add gameplay tag. Oh, wrong one. I also need to change the name of that. We'll do that now. Attack. Then remove gameplay tag. Attack. I'm doing it still in the EP conduit. What? Oh, that's different. That's dungeon architect stuff. Yeah, I don't. So I'm only using it here. So now, because it's just called the same thing, I can go in here and just kill you. I'm using this anywhere. I have this, and no, I'm not. Cool. So there we go. 2 functions just gone. And I need to rename these somehow. From add gameplay tag and remove gameplay tag, because there's already an add gameplay tag. How do I name this where I'll remember it and still make sense? Add a gameplay tag. I mean, it'll still come up if I search, but now it comes up first too. You know what? That actually that actually works really well. Because now when I search remove gameplay tag, it comes up as the default, and I don't need to remember, and right, it still all works. Yeah, it's cool. I'll just do that. Easy peasy. I love it. Okay. Clear stun. I'm still using. Oh, I'm not using this. Okay. Gain ability. I'm not using. Grow. I'm not using. Oh, where am I? Hold on. Well, I know for sure I'm not using grow in general. It's just an old system. So yes, delete it. Take thorns damage. I should not be using this as well. Then it goes to take down. Yeah. Why do I have this here? Why do I have this take thorns damage here? Well, let me fix up this. Don't need that. Um. Okay, let's move this. Take thorns damage. Copy it. Put it on here. Wait, why can I not do take damage? Oh, it's an object reference. Why is it object reference? EP action character. Then we can do take damage. Plug that in there. Excellent. Self becomes get character reference. And now I can do see abilities, take thorns damage. Oh, this is still not configured though. Well, it'll be better. Needs to be configured. We haven't made the thorns power up. Yes, this is just like from old times, but yeah, I can remove that there. The knock up, knock down stuff. We're not using that anymore, and the old system is bad. Checking if they're being used. They are. I'll leave them here though. I'm pretty sure all of this should be being used. Trace. It's no longer trace cleave attack. It's now just trace attack. Take damage. I can't take damage. Damage calculation. Execute stun. Trace special attack. Yeah. On stun. Okay. All that is fine. Can act, move, can attack, jump. Don't need that one anymore. During attack on him, after attack on him. Yep. Reset gravity sail. We're still using that. That can go under utility. Death that cannot move. Can I move it actually? Because this is now... Yeah, I can move it. Excellent. So go away for the other one too. That's utility. Set collisions on death. Can go on utility. Utility and on begin attack. Child overrides. Beautiful. Okay, let's clean up this mess now. The big one's gonna be the weapon info, which is the whole our whole rework. Started with that. This is all still being used, right? This all stun cooldown. Yep. Character info. First of all, let me just do this. Okay, cannot remove it. Actually, before I do that, hold on. Go to the event graph. Anything here that we need to change? And also, let's clean stuff up here. We have the attack section. Okay. This is an Airblade Trace timeline. Well, they can go under that. Projectile ignore self. All go here. It's all part of the same stuff. Increasing of the attack combo. Can all be here under attack combo. Return of the token. And then we have damaged. And here, this is just going to be our combat section. Should move this all up. Okay. Then we have the force character movement section. Now, I'm not doing all of this anymore. I mean, I am. It's still implemented. Here. The whole airborne system is still implemented, so eventually I'll remove it, and then I'll kill this. But for now, we'll remain with this. I make it yellow to remind me. That needs a rework. I hate when you zoom out, it doesn't grab things the same way as it is when zoomed in because of how, like, it collapses the previews. So we have event tick and begin play. On game start. Then we have on landed. We have the stun. So this is all utility. Landed events, then stun, the stun stuff. This is all utility. High jump timer, utility. Jump to destination. Shake. Fire trail cooldown. I probably should move this to... Oh no, this is the route. Yeah. This is all utility. Different parts of utility, but still all utility. So. At least I want them to be all organized, or all together here. Floor damage, I think, can go under combat. There we go. And what are we left here? Yeah. And removing of the gameplay tags. sorting the projectile. So all of this can go under utility.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
And there we go. Ta-da! Okay, this is now organized. Good. Much cleaner. We can start. Here's our utility stuff. Zoom in on it. Read all the stuff. Find what we need. Do one of those. There we go. Okay. You know, it feels a little therapeutic to clean things up like this. It doesn't feel therapeutic to actually clean my actual like apartment and stuff. That doesn't feel therapeutic at all. That's just exhausting. But to it feels good to clean up Unreal files and things of that nature. I can't be bothered for the part, although I did clean like over the weekend. But that wasn't fun. That wasn't therapeutic. That was hard work. Okay. What is the sprite-based location? Oh, I know what this is. This is all the utility stuff, right? Yeah, this is utility. Get on a private of ours, because that isn't utility. I'll put it under utility for now, and then I can move it somewhere else. Those are quite a few of these for Sprite Shake. You know what? Utility, Sprite Shake. And we have attack Indus, which should undergo under combat. This attack combo. Instead of attack combo, we're going to change this to just combat. Attack Indus can go there as well. Can be stun can go there as well. Then that is utility. Can hide job is utility. Trace for enemy below. Most of this is gonna be utility. This original capsule half height. Where is this being used? I don't need this anymore. Don't need this anymore. Don't need this anymore. Very nice. Clean that up. Yes, delete all those variables. Beautiful. Oh, so good. Blood amount can go under combat. In lava is utility. Oh, there's a lot of stuff for lava, so I wish you could just select multiple of these and set it, but I don't think you can. Actually, I'm gonna try that afterwards. I think I tried. Yeah, I can't shift click on these. So yeah, can't select multiple and just say, "Hey, put them all in a group," which is unfortunate. But it is what it is. Okay. Store projectile, utility, no blood on hit, combat, character info goes under character info. Who would have guessed? And current attack info is going under utility. Okay. Wonderful. We have cleaned it up. The one thing that we still need to go through is this. The old weapon system. Jesus Christ. I still have it used in all of these places. Okay, where are we? Oh. Where are you using this? Let's fix it, because everywhere there it says get weapon info here. Is incorrect. This should not be the case. Oh, there's a shapeshifter. No, I don't care about shapeshifter anymore. Execute up, knock up / back. I'm not even going to bother setting this up right now. I'm just going to detach it. Because again, we're not doing it right now. Just going to remove this. Because I pretty much removed the whole knockback system. It was nice, but I feel like it should be like an ability-based thing, potentially, or a power-up-based thing, and then what I want to do is on the take damage. I'm going to unhook this. Or got hooked. And just unhook this. Because that needs to be revisited. Okay. So we still have this being used in places. Oh, the spiralings are still using it. Why? Oh, it's because I copied them from the spider. You don't need any of this. Bam. Spiraling's taken care of. This great spider, though, okay. So we haven't dealt with the special yet. Right, when we set up our new system, we've made the ability to have attacks and alt attacks. The special is different because in this case, the special has three animations I need. So what I'm probably going to do is change our animation struct. Where's the animation? Back animations. For this special anim to be an array. Because I'll call it special animations. That way we can use, right, whatever we want. We can use multiple if we want a sequence. Just, yeah. Now we have this special attack. And here we'll do get to the first one. I'll do a random one here. In this version. Okay. So now what we can do is, right, instead of this getting weapon attack, we can get character info, get break weapon stats, sorry, this, right, yeah, attack animations, break, and then we have the special animations. So we want to get 0. And that's going to be our anim sequence here. This is going to be 2. That's our anim sequence here. And I guess I don't need the middle one in my case. Am I using this anymore? No. Using it here. Ah, on phase 2. Yes. Okay. Ooh, but now I have... Now I have multiple things. I have the teleporting thing. And the other one. So I guess I can do 1, 2, 3, and then specifically for you, because this is per the spider specific, I get 4 and 5 for start and end. So what we need to do now is, so I don't forget, is here under bosses. We're going to Great Spider. Attack trace, not attack trace, weapon stats, attack animations, right? It has the regular attacks. Under special, we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they mean Great Spider, ramming start, ramming ram, ramming end, and then I need what is it called? Teleport. Oh, drop down, teleport, start, end, start, and land. Hey Benji, welcome in. Got your blueprint forest path to cut through your pig forest. It's amazing, but your brain is fried. Hey, you did it though. Oh, you blueprint forest path to cut through your pig forest. Is your pig forest? Because I'm just imagining instead of trees is just pigs that have morphed and have embedded themselves into the ground. I mean, it's just, you know what I can do? Now I can show you what a pig forest looks like in just a moment. PCG, not big. No, you didn't say big at any point. You're fine. Bacon forest would be amazing, though. Yes, it would. I can confirm. Hold on. I'm having Mid-Journey create this, just so you know what I'm doing. I typed in pig forest, and it gave me cute things like pigs in a forest. I'm like, no. I wanted to draw what I was thinking in my head when I heard pig forest. So I told you right now, generate me pigs in the shapes of trees. Because that's what I was imagining when you said pig forest. Because, of course, I mean, I'm not some psycho thinking of wild pigs in a regular forest. That would be insane. Right? We all know what we were thinking when we were thinking pig forest. I mean, these are pretty tame. I guess I'll go with this one. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. So you know, it's nice that you have a pig forest. This is why it's called a pig forest, I am sure. Because it's a pig forest. He didn't say pigs in a forest. He didn't say pigs around a forest. He said pig forest. So that's what it was. But yes, bacon strips as leaves would be amazing. That would be good. That indeed would be good. Okay. Next up, I want to go. Oh, I need to go back to my action character, and let's just once again find all the reference by name. And look at that, we're good. We can remove the old weapons info system. It is gone. We have 100% now transitioned to now data tables. And to confirm that it's working with the spider, let's go to the spider and let's make sure that it transitions over to the next state. Good start. Great start, guys. God damn it. One more time. You love that UE features your favorite? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, you know what? Because he hits like a truck right now. You know what I can do? I can go to myself. Oh, not you. I can go to my own weapons. And I could say my greatsword hits for 250. And animation works. Invalid light attack. It is not invalid. Oh, invalid light attack for them. Okay, I gotta fix that. Yes, because we don't have them on as a character. Whoops. Oh my, okay, and the collision stuff problem is back. The collision problem with these guys is somehow back. Okay. So we got some stuff to fix. Let's start with the little spider wings. Yep. Add spiderlings. We're using the great spider stuff, so great spider stuff. Spawn info here is spiderlings. They don't need anything else. Damage, like 2. That should be it. It literally should be as easy as that to get them to have like and behave. Yeah, look at that. See, already that it's not working. Okay. So next thing is, why is the collision again not working? Let's check your collision. you should be ignore character collision. You're set to ignore. Is the spiderlings set as ignore character collision? They are. You are ignore character collision. And it is set to ignore you. And you are set to ignore pawns as well. Why are you the way you are then? Crash because Scene was missing Pig Forest? Probably. That makes the most sense to me. Jesus Christ. They're a bit too powerful. Get obliterated there. 0.5. Ignoring it all, just tanking all. Okay. Where is it? Oh, I have another one. Oh, what? For 2. So, if I had the spider... Yeah, here's the spider. Oh, no. Something else is the problem here. What happened here? Okay. What did I do? Do we play this animation? Let me just give myself like cleave. Make it easier to deal with these bastards. It didn't print. Hold on. How is it not printing? So... it does the growing shadow. It does this. It plays this. Maybe I just didn't notice it. And I'm done. And of execution. I'll try to get to stage 3 while dads are going, so no one misses anything. I can always pause in this game, so. It doesn't... It doesn't print. Either one. Okay. So... Oh, it's because... No? It's because this is failing. This is failing somehow. Okay, let's wait for ads and then we'll see what's going on. It shouldn't be failing. Oh, I'm getting 4 and 5. It should be 3 and 4. I have 3 and 2, and I put 4 and 5. And so there's nothing on 5, so it breaks. Gotta get your indexes in order if you want things to work correctly. It helps. Working correctly is overrated. Yeah, I know. There we go. So now it works. But he's still... Well, he's coming here. But he's having a lot of difficulty. Yeah, he's just walking around. He just got all confused with this. Why? You love bugs in game? Why would I pay 70 buckaroos for a properly working game when the fun... Where's the fun in that? Yeah, that sounds about right for these days. But, I mean, there was one thing that's wrong with your statement. 70 bucks is a great deal. Games these days are costing $130 for the bugs. Bugs and low quality. Dear God. Some of the stuff that's been released recently, the amount of issues in it is insane. Oh. Like, it's funny, and then at the same time, it's really sad. Okay. Not using avoidance here. I'm not using avoidance here. That was our problem last time. Is I had it on for some reason. I'm not using it here. What I can try doing is going to my AI controller and removing it there as well. Let's see what happens. Here, I can change... I mean to do that? Go away. Here, I need to change the... just do AI controller here. Reparent. And see if that that changed the issue. Okay, I think you're ignoring them now. Yeah, it looks like you're ignoring them. So... why are you ignoring me now? Where the hell are you going? The shit is this? Get back here. Hold on. Is it... not this button. This button? This button. I think what's happening... hey, welcome in that guy, Ace. And thank you. I think what's happening is he's seeing all of the other little guys, potentially, and he doesn't see me through them for some reason. Yeah. I'm stuck. What happened? Oh, I'm dead. That's what's happening. Here's what we can do. Because I think for movement, this is all working. What I can try doing... well, the bugs in games now, it's like everyone said, you know what we can get away with? Everything that Bethesda's been doing for ours. Bethesda isn't even like the game that's been like, yeah, Bethesda's not even the worst culprit anymore in terms of like issues. Like, it's crazy. I remember the days when EA was rated worst company multiple times in a row. And now it's still, they stopped winning that because there are others that want to take its place. You scared of crowds? I mean, yeah, I get it. I get it. What I can do is on the spiderlings, on death, can I delete, destroy the capsule component, the capsule component entirely on death? That's probably not going to work very well. Huh? I don't know if that's working. Yes, he... Oh, no, I think it's working. I think it worked. He's no longer detecting those. And surprisingly... yeah, he's walking over them just fine. Attempt to access collision via or capsule component. Where are you trying to access this? What? Why is it trying to... Who's trying to do this? Oh, shit, you... Who did this? Twice. Trace attack. You know what? Instead of doing that, what I can do though is on the spiderling, instead of destroying it, set height. I cannot make the capsule half height smaller than the width, but I can make it at least the so I can make it 30. Or I can make the set width, set capsule radius, sorry. It's radius. 10 and 10. Don't update overlaps. So effectively, it'll be really tiny, and you should just see right over them and walk over them without issue. Oh, now... Wait. Why are they falling to... Oh, why are they falling into the ground? It wasn't falling into the ground when it was... Oh, it's because the sprites need to be... The sprites are offset. Yeah, so I need to do this, 10, 10. And then the sprite, which is minus 60, set sprite, or set location. Right, because they're at minus 60 because it was set to 60. It needs to be minus 10 because this is 10. Otherwise, yeah, it looks like they're going to the ground. They're not actually. Here he is, and now he walks over them without any problems. Huzzah! He cares not. That I don't know what's happening. Why is he... Why does it look like he's here? Oh, I know I got the wrong guy. Okay, no. Yeah. You. Why? So he's still... Oh, you know what it is? Is it the range? It's the range. So Yeah, the line of the range is way too short. 5,000, 3,000. Let's actually make it even like 8,000. This is for everyone, but that's fine. They're not really meant to lose aggro on you. So that's probably what was happening. Yeah. He still knows where I am. No, what? How do you lose me? How do you lose me? I'm within range. I'm right here. I'm in front of him. Why is he not seeing me? It's because... Why? I don't need these print strings anymore. We already fixed that. They should make it so he never lose focus on me. I don't know how he's losing focus on me. At least we fixed the problem with the collisions and whatnot. You. So you should always know where I am. Yeah, I should not be able to lose you. Also, we have confirmed that he does the ram. He did ram before, which is great. So yeah, okay. So now he's good. He's not losing me. Okay. I don't know why he was losing me and why he wasn't refining me. That's the issue, though. I will need to figure that out. But, also, we can now, here, change the parent class again. To Detour. Guy's the better one. So, I guess it's working now. let me go to his behavior tree. Well, he should never drop attacking. The problem is he somehow drops attacking because he loses. Somehow lost sight. Also, another thing I want to check is under sight. What is the duration? Max age 20 seconds. We'll make it a 30 also. All of them. Yeah, the one thing I don't have access to in C that I would have access to in C++ is the whole friendly enemy versus neutral category, which is this: detect enemies, detect neutrals, detect friendlies. This doesn't. You can't set this affiliation in blueprints. I don't know why. No clue why you can't set this, but you can't. So you have to detect everyone, and then you have to filter. It's an unfortunate thing, but yeah, it is what it is. But I think it's working now. Everything kind of we want. Let's run it one more time just to confirm. I don't need this. We'll need to change up their damage back a little bit higher. Maybe not. Maybe I'll leave it as is. They're very aggro, which is kind of good. Maybe I'll tone that down. But we'll do more balancing with them a bit later. There he is. Does he not know where I am anymore? Oh, not. How did that happen? Right, he can't see me. Like his. So something's going on. What we're doing is stopping his logic and starting it again. And the reason we're doing stopping the logic is for some reason he would just still. He would not do what we wanted to otherwise. So activate phase 2. Does phase 2 start? We do stop logic. If I don't do stop logic and set, I do set state as dead. He should not be able to do anything. Should not be able to get to a new state. But he was, for some reason, be able to get a new state before. So. Well, I mean, that worked honestly really well. I don't know why it then wasn't working before. Like, that's... And he's still aggroed on me. Like, this is all fine. Oh, and now he's not aggroed on me. He was looking right at me. Okay, so that's not related. What is he doing right now? Hold on. Where's this behavior tree? He is strafing for some reason. He thinks I am here still. And so he's strafing. He's like just right out bugged. He's just outright bugged. How does that happen? I have his tree pulled up on the other monitor. To hopefully see like what he does. And he's doing strafes, and he's doing a phase 2 attack, so this is all fine. Closer. Yeah, there's attacks, all good. Oh. Okay. No, he's moving over them. Over there. Okay. Now he's... Is he avoiding? He just went to passive. He just randomly went to passive.
Ads are here. Pausing for ads.
Handled forgot actor. Check if forgone scene actor. we do that every half second, the known scene actors is not equal to AI sense sight. True. Check all the known actors. And if I don't see him during that... okay. But this does not account for if I say infinite vision. Why am I doing this every half second? Why am I doing this at all? This is where I have it on start, basically. If every half second it can forget it if I'm not in line of sight. I'm going to detach this. I don't know why I have it that... This was probably part of the tutorial that I followed for the AI perception and all that. If I'm not perceived, yeah, I don't know why I do handle forgot actor. If I handle forgot actor, I set state as passive. I'm gonna detach that and see what happens. I'm not quite sure why. I don't remember at all why that was set up. It probably has a reason, and maybe once I do this, like, I'll remember the reason. Okay. So far, so good. Still knows me. I've been running around. He still knows me. If I go... He gets a lot of confusion when it goes through here. No, he just walked right through. I think that was what was causing it. I think that's what was causing it. Okay. Let's do like 2 more attempts at this to confirm. But I think we found the problem. Which explains a lot. It doesn't explain why I have that there. Seems good. Right here in the corner. There he comes. Okay. I think we did it. This has been an annoying bug that's lasted way too long. Like multiple months, technically. Where every time I think I fix it, I find out, no, I didn't. Because then I just happened to get like an attempt where it looked like it was fixed, but it wasn't. That feels good. To finally fix that feels good. I don't understand this. Let's do that for now. This is replaced later. It's not being replaced. It just needs to be removed. Okay. So now in the Spiderland, yeah, we don't need to stop the logic. Thank goodness anymore. Yeah, we don't need to restart the logic. We just set state as attacking. And then it's going to be back to working as intended. I could probably remove this infinite vision now. Shouldn't need it. Yeah, he just turns towards me. Yeah, he still has vision on me, like, without, quote-unquote, infinite vision. Right? He still has vision on me? Yeah, seems like it. I don't know why I don't have the green ball on me. Why it puts it there. Oh, hold on. Oh no. He did somehow lose vision on me. Somehow he loses vision still. Well, I'll keep that on then. That needs to be figured out probably at a later point. How he manages to lose vision on me. So, yeah, he's trying to move closer. He's failing. It was failing a little bit. Why is he walking around them now? Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. He's walking around them now. He won't cross. Why? It wasn't fixed. Okay, let's just go back to this as an attempt. The fact it doesn't fall to the ground confuses me, but also, wait, how does he not see me right now? Is it the height? No, it shouldn't be the height. Oh, wait, did I mess up with the range? Hold on. Wait. I think I might have messed up with, I think that might have been me. Oh, so I raised 300 to 8,000. That's why. I might be responsible for that. I didn't realize that was what the green circle was. So I was basically out of his range for so long. That's why he was losing vision on me. Let's do 3,000's fine. I might make this controllable per enemy, but that should be fine. So let's test this now without this. Okay. That's why he couldn't see me. And now that's why now it follows me. When things make sense, it's great, isn't it? Now, that doesn't mean he's gonna go through these guys, but he might. Oh, yeah, and now he's charging. This is great. And now whenever he gets in range there, he kind of gets reset. And he's not going to lose vision on me. The main thing is he had vision on me. I got close. I think this range should be increased. That doesn't seem big enough. And yeah, we need to. And here I'm just gonna do a. I think maybe the spiralings for some reason are trying to do this. Someone's trying to do this to dead enemies. My only guess. Dead or dying. So that's working now. Let's go back to here. Let's change this to like 5,000 and 8,000. That didn't change. He sees me. He saw me. He sees me. I'm in his vision. Let's go down there. Oh, there's like inner cone where I have to be like really in his vision. Hold on. Peripheral vision range 60. But that's peripheral. Where do I control the angle of the regular sight? I don't have one. How far to the sides AI can see in degrees? Change the value at runtime. Use value represents the angle measured in relation to the forward vector, not the whole range. Right now, I am like in the right angle. If I cross that line, then it works. That solid line. But it should be the same line. I think it's just... Oh. Aww. Change that probably to 3,000. Hearing range is 1,000. Let's change that to 2,000. Yeah, so he just sees like all the way here. Right? Oh, now he saw. Wait. It's if I spawn inside of the range to begin with, then he has trouble, and then if I leave and come back into it, then he'll see me. Oh, it's because... No. I know. It's because of my thing. Here. It's because I'm not visible at the beginning. And then it doesn't update... for some reason, it doesn't update if I'm already inside of it. Because he saw me. Oh, you know what I need to do? Oh, I think I'm gonna... It's because when I do handle sight... Is it here? Grace window. If it's not a grace window, then I do this. Right. But that means, yeah, I should never have gone here. I should never have been seen. Or I've never been handled, quote unquote. If it's false, I was already added to the updated actors list. This probably would be bad to do with like no delay of any kind. Yeah, it's gonna be the delay. I'm gonna just test this. Can I do a custom event here? No. All I can do is just do handle set by set. Custom event, delay. Function delay. Or I guess this is not a function delay. This is specifically to re-handle site. And this only will happen if he saw me in the grace window. Hopefully I can do this. Hopefully I can do this from here. We'll find out in a second. Re-handle sight. Half second. 0.2 seconds. No, I need him to start facing me. Start facing me. Yeah, immediately. He got me immediately. That was so good. That was so good. So now he sees me and I tap and then he sees me. Yay! It worked. So let's do like every 0.1 seconds or 0.05 seconds. We'll just check it. Basically, as soon as I move, he's just like, okay, we're going. Okay, I think we're actually good. I think everything has been fixed and figured out. He's moving across stuff. He should no longer be losing sight. Why, again, are you having trouble walking over those? We were fine. Oh, now you're what? Now you're fine. What? You're not fine against that bunch. But you're fine against this bunch? What the hell is the difference? Okay, so we're not done. Ah, crap. And this is actually destroying the collision component. Which begs the question of how the hell they're not falling to the ground or falling through. Unless this is not actually... Oh, no, it is destroying it because I was complaining about it being destroyed. I don't know. I guess we'll figure it out next time. And we'll continue from this. Apparently vision is one of the most difficult things there is. Stupid spider. He's been giving me the most trouble out of anyone. But that's gonna do it for tonight. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Hope you enjoyed the stream. I'll be back tomorrow at 6:30 Pacific for some more game dev. And we'll continue with the spider, and then I want to actually finally bring in my effects for my attacks, but possibly, which should be good, which make our attacks much flashier, theoretically. So we'll see how that goes, and yeah, hope to see you guys next time. Until then, take care. Bye bye.